Wow, it's so lightweight. Hi everyone, my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be doing an opening box video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a vacuum that I purchased from Amazon. It's called the Moosoo. It's the K23 with cyclone technology. I will say this is the first vacuum that I've owned that is a little bit expensive, because a vacuum I had about 8 years ago, it was a very cheap one from Walmart, and I think it cost like 20 bucks. So I will say this is like the most expensive vacuum I purchased. Then again, there are so many other very expensive vacuums out there. I was planning on getting the V7. Now they've come up with the V11. I think the Dyson, that one is very, very expensive. It's way out of my budget and I cannot afford that one. So I was reading a couple of reviews and this seems to be a really good vacuum. So I'm going to be opening it up and testing it out and letting you guys know if it's a good vacuum or not. If I would recommend it. Again, it's on the cheaper side, but then again also on the expensive side for me compared to the vacuum I had years ago. I was in need of a vacuum. I would vacuum my rooms and my carpet in the living room with a vacuum that we had for a car. So a car vacuum that plugs. I really needed one and I'm so glad that I was able to purchase one already. So let's go ahead and get it opened up and get it tested. It's not even that hard. It's just that I have brittle nails and I don't want them to break. So that's why I had to use the scissors there. So this is everything that is included in the box. Instructions here, how to set it up, and it has like a warranty. Activate your warranty online and get a gift. So I will be doing that. I bought the extended warranty as well through Amazon. So this is the handle or the stick. Wow, it's so lightweight. It's like an aluminum or plastic and it's so lightweight. I'm used to getting like the handles to the vacuums, like really heavy vacuums. This one is very lightweight, you guys. I hope the whole vacuum feels lightweight. So this is the brush. Oh wow, awesome. It feels so soft, so fuzzy and soft. This is one of the brushes. So lightweight. I cannot believe how lightweight this is. So this is the connection there. Not sure what that is. And I have to open it this way because my tripod broke. So wow, this is awesome. It's like a big machine here. This is a little bit heavy. I mean, just compared to the other products that I've held on, not heavy, but just comparing it to the other products, this is going to be probably the most heaviest part out of everything else. Let's put it together. And I forgot to show you guys this. This is like to get into the windows. I hope it works. I live in the state of Arizona and the dust can get pretty bad, especially between the cracks of the windows. So I'm hoping that it'll suction all of that dust out. So how does this work? I think I can put it like this. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that.
You can use it with your hand, like a handheld vacuum. Or you press this, and I'm not even reading the extra instructions yet. It seems pretty simple. Push this and it detaches when you press this red button there. I want to show you guys like up close. I really thought it was going to have like some brush, like of the bristles, like to grab onto all the hair. You're going to get the floor brush, the connection tool, attach those two together until you hear it click. So the dust cup and the main motor goes on top. So that's what the vacuum looks like there. So excited to use it. Now this here, you can attach it here, the brush, to vacuum that way, or you can attach the creative tool. But I'm just gonna turn it on and see if it has some battery. Okay, so it does. It has just a very little bit of battery. Wow, it's so smooth, very easy to maneuver back and forth. There's some cold air coming out through here. My sock, one of my socks got stuck there. As a first impression, I will say it's very smooth, very lightweight, but I want to see if it collected anything. Oh wow, it did. It actually did. Did you see that there? collected some dust, fur ball and dust, some dirt as well. And I just did a deep cleaning in this carpet like maybe a week ago. Oh, poof. That was very easy to open. And it has a whole bunch of dust in here. I want to show you guys that it did collect a couple of hairs there. I thought the filter was going to be a bit hard to put on, but it actually snaps in there. Very easy to close and to open. I'm gonna hook this up here and I'm gonna get some cleaning on the window with a very low battery that it has. Another thing that I liked about it is that right when you touch it, that's when the motor turns on. It's very sensitive to the touch. Here, I'll show you guys. Very sensitive to turn on and off. So I'm gonna charge it a bit and then I'll be doing a demonstration later on. I will say that it didn't pick up a lot of dirt from the window, and the reason for that is because I like to run water through it, so it's kind of muddy, so it's kind of hard to pick up dirt. I'm gonna get this cleaned up, I'm gonna charge it, and I'll probably be doing another test or demonstration later on. I'm very happy with it as of right now. I think I'm just gonna charge it and see how long it takes to charge. I'm also curious to find out how long the battery will last. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a like, a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna be purchasing this vacuum. I'm not getting paid to mention this vacuum. I did my own research on my own, looked at some reviews. I saw that this was a good vacuum, so I decided to purchase it myself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.